Samkeli Siwe, one of our Fun Foundation's volunteers at Mnambit, has been at home during mandatory lockdown, just like the rest of us. When our programs are up and running, she spends her days teaching a whole group of children. During lockdown, she has continued to share these lessons with her own two little ones, using the methodologies she has learned as a Fun Foundation's volunteer. She describes what an average day at Fun Foundations entails when groups are in session.
Kusukela ngo-9 kuya ku-1. Uma ngabe kahle isikhathi sethu siqala ngo-8. Kodwa-ke baqala u-9 ukuqala ukufunda ngo-8 usebenza iparish. Ngo-9 siyaqala senza amalentuza siyabingelelana, senza amaculo wethu mase senza ama-activities esinawo ngalolo suku. Kuyenzeka ukuthi sidlala umdlalo wamabhola, sishaya ama-2 litha, siwabale, shothi lapho sifunda ukubala. Kuyenzeka ukuthi sifunde ngama-shapes. Kuyenzeka ukuthi ngalelo langa sifunda ngenamba isonto nesonto senenamba sifunda ngayo, ukuyibhala nokuyilentuza, nokuyazi ukuthi uNumber 1 lo Number 2 lo Number 3. Labo nje uma ngabe ngikhohlwa ukusho izinsuku zesonto, uyangikhumbuza sikakhulukazi lo ngoba yena sekhulile khona.
Now spending days at home because of lockdown, she explains how she has been putting the skills she's learned through Thanda and the Singakwenza Waste to Toys program to good use.
Amabhola siyazakhela senza uSingakwenza wasifundisa ukwakha amabhola ngamaplastiki. Ama-shapes siyasikela futhi indingiliza sakhe siyazela ngama-cardboard nama-triangle, yonke ama-shapes siyazenzela wona.
She talks about how she has even roped the older kids in her household to help with the toys and resource making, which keeps them entertained too.
Ngizama ngokuthi bona ngibacathi ngicela bayahlala lapha babuka i-TV yongqondo la abadala. Ngibe ney'ngane then emva kwey'ngane bese ngibanika isikhathi nabo sokuthi okay-ke nako mhlawumbe ngisabangakhela ama-shapes.
She is pleased that there are alternative methods that can be used to communicate with the Fun Foundation members, specifically WhatsApp and text messages.
Yabona nje babuka nje sisebenzisa ama-social network. Bayasenzela Singakwenza ama-activity efele siwafundisa iy'ngane, bayasitshela ukuthi okay kule sonto sofunda ngalo, njengoba kule sonto besifunda ngamabhola, kuthiwa senzele iy'ngane amabhola, sibabekele bashaye, okuwile siyakubala nokumile siyakubala, shuthi lapho siyacalculate. Kulula kakhulu futhi kumnandi ngoba asihleli iy'ngane azikhohlwa. Asisho ukuthi hayi ngoba manje kunale sifa azifundi iy'ngane cha ziyafuna zonke iy'nsuku nje siyavuka siyifundise, shuthi iy'ngane ngezikhohlwa. Ukuze kushaya isikhathi sokuvula iy'kole kodwa thina sibe siqhubekile neprocess yokufundisa.
But even with the activities sent through by Thanda and Singakwenza, it's clear to Samkeli Siwe that the children missed the full day of learning and the rhythm and routine of the Fun Foundation's group.
Bayakhumbula kwamanje babuza uma ngabe mhlambe ngisheshe ngabakhipha esikoleni noma mhlambe ngiluzile ukubangenisa, ngibona laba mhlambe bayangiphazamisa laba la egcekeni, mhlambe uthothi ngizoqala ngo-10 ngiyabakhipha ngo-11 noma ngiyabakhipha ngo-12. Abayifuni leyo nto, babuye bangilande bathi misi phela siyafunda.
But she sees their resilience, their teamwork and collaboration, and their ability to find a way, even in the absence of the routines they are used to. Here at Thanda, one of our core focuses is to cultivate resilience in children, and to hear that they are showing this in a time of distress and confusion boosts our belief in our methodologies even further. We look forward to a time in the future when we will be able to resume our Fun Foundation's playgroups and continue with our full curriculum.